Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I have to say, I do love how like I could do straight across bangs, but they're long enough to where I can put them to the side. Because today they were just not wanting to be straight across and I didn't want to have to like re-shower and re-blow dry them. So that's that. Also, ooh, the boobs are boobing. I will say I'm starting my period literally any second. But also this top is from Skims. They don't have this color anymore. I'm really sad. I actually wanted like way more colors. It's just like a little bralette and I feel like it just like lifts and supports in all of the right ways. So I want to buy more colors, but they don't have white and they don't have gray. They only have like a brown and a black, but they're on sale and they're like 30 bucks. So I might get that. I have a ween who is trying so hard to fit on this chair. Hi, hun. I just filmed not a tutorial. I filmed an unboxing of the new like Urban Decay just came out with a naked palette, which is iconic, okay? So I got ready and I filmed that. You may have seen it in the time lapse. I tried to get a little BTS, but I don't even know if you could tell what I was doing, but regardless. Anyways, welcome to the vlog. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. Let's be real for a second. Be fucking for real. It's not that I feel like I've been MIA from YouTube because I don't think I have. I just definitely have been posting a lot less than I was. I feel like last month I was posting so much, which was so awesome. But lately I have just been kind of in a funk. I don't know, I've been in a little bit of a funk. We all know we're big on mental health over here. I saw my therapist again because she was on vacation and that helped a lot, but I definitely came to terms with like the fact that I've just been even struggling with my mental health where I feel like I haven't been in so long. And you guys know I lowered my anxiety meds, like my dosage, and I started that process all year. I started back in February. Wow, this is like, I'm sorry, this isn't like a fun start to the vlog. And this is where I get hard on myself because I'm like, and the lowering process has honestly been so good. I'm down 50 milligrams. My whole goal was eventually to be like completely off of it, which I know that's fine if I'm not for the first time. I'm like not regretting going down, but I'm like, ooh, I'm not gonna be lowering anymore. And I'm curious if I might need to up it again. But that is for me and my therapist and doctor to figure out. Needless to say, I feel like if you've been wondering where the vlogs have been, that's where they've been. Non-existent, because I've just like not been in the mood. I don't know. I also don't wanna like fake it for you guys. So I was like, let's just vlog today and be honest. Cause maybe, I don't know. It always comes in waves. Like some days I'm like super, I don't know. I never want you guys to think I'm like being fake. I do think I need to leave the house more and start exercising again because I haven't been, and that has always helped my mental health. And yeah, and like journal again. I feel like I used to be really big on journaling and I kind of stopped. But other than that, we're good. We're good. We got our latte. We're good. Yeah, anyway. Trauma dumping.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog.
Why are you talking so quiet?
We're having a what's wrong?
You were like, well, everyone, welcome. And it's not an ASMR channel, Ash.
So I'm not pretending it's an ASMR channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog.
I can't with you because I either need to like put on like a voice,
I'm not saying
or I
I'm
need,
just saying talk
and you're like,
normal.
don't be like too put on.
I'm saying don't be
So
like.
then I try to be myself and then you're like, this isn't an ASMR channel, Ashley. Ridiculous.
You know that is a guy's, was on Vanderpump. That's what that new bar is.
Should we go?
No, I'm sure it's empty. No one likes him.
We are having a sister day. And by sister day, lunch and going to Target. It honestly feels like old time vlogs.
I need to make a list because I've meant to make a list all week.
I actually have a few returns. I need a few more things. Maybe at lunch we can both sit down and kind of make a little list of what we need.
Well, I almost placed an order on Amazon. I was like, Alicia, like get out of the freaking house and go pick it up.
Yep.
Like go get it.
Let's go. Plus you love Target. Also, I am so cool now. And I have a Takaya ambassadorship.
And I get a benefit from it.
Basically, it's just like a swap. It's just like my SoulCycle ambassadorship that I used to have, or any ambassadorship where you just like, you get some free stuff and you post it. And they were like, yeah, would love for you to like promo like our menu, our food items, and just like tag us. And I was like, I would literally love they're one of my like favorite go-to lunch spots. So I'm just being a little sugar mama today.
She said lunch is on me.
Lunch is on me, Lita. Lunch is on me.
I am so hungry.
I achieved my standing goal.
I thought you were gonna say walks already, and I was just like, what?
Yeah,
This is the most I've walked all day.
So I did 0 cardio.
Thanks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We got plantain chips and guac to share. I am literally, wow, I can't talk. What the heck? Obsessed with the pomegranate seeds that they put on. It's so good.
Everything.
And then I got a fajita bowl with shrimp and chicken. Fajita bowl?
Fajita bowl?
I should have kept the cream. I did no cream.
Very happy with the shrimp.
Well, I remember you said it was good. Oh yeah, sorry. Get your pick. All right, we just got to Target, and I really haven't even shown you guys my purse yet because I posted an Instagram story of it, but I haven't actually shown the vlog yet. But I got this little, it's like a mini Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I think I got it like last year, right?
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you remember it has the thick pink strap? I just like,
No.
It's okay. But they came out with this mini version, which I thought was so cute, but obviously with like the bag keychain trend, I thought it would be even cuter. And I got these little charms from a small business. I'll put the link in the description. I'm obsessed. We need to name the bear. I don't know what we want to name her. Or him. I feel like she's just a her though. Like I just see it. Someone said to call her Marie, which I thought was kind of cute. And then this little one. But I'm showing you all of that simply because I need to fix my lips because I ate and they came off. I know Kylie Cosmetics. Actually, I was gonna be mean. I was gonna be like, I know Kylie Cosmetics isn't a thing anymore. It is a thing. It's just like different than what it ever was. But this lip liner, this is the wooden one in the shade Comes Naturally. So good. It's like a great pink. I freaking love it. What are you using?
Alisha got me this Ramen lip balm, like colored lip balm that is so buttery soft. She got it from Japan.
Korea.
But
I have another one. Do you find it?
No.
I have another one if you
I
need
literally
it.
want it because I will be ordering more of these. They're like $12 on Amazon.
They're so good.
They're so cheap and they're incredible. I've been posting them in like TikToks and Instagrams a lot lately.
They're also really popular.
And they're so nice and they're so buttery soft.
Korean beauty just
Get
knows
over
what's
here.
up.
Get over here. Watch this. Are you kidding? So pretty.
I have the CoverGirl lipstick in Snow Blanket, and I honestly feel like it just accentuates the lip color. Obsessed. And then Milk sent this. It is like a lip oil gloss. The Milk Odyssey. It smells. I used it for the first time. It smells heavenly. It's like vanilla cupcake.
It smells like yellow cake batter.
No. Oh my god, sorry. We
Yeah.
should make some.
Should we? Should we buy some?
We should. Oh my god, it does. That's like one of my favorite cakes. That's the lip. Let's go. Let's get it. Ashley's doing returns. We've made it into the home decor section. Not that I need anything, but I really like this little lavender faux plant. Even the little, I don't know, it's really cute. Look.
Fastest thing I've ever done. That's so cute.
I know.
It's adorable.
I feel like, look cute in my bedroom.
Lavender's supposed to be good in your bedroom. Like
I mean, it's fake.
It'd be nice for like the kitchen.
Yeah. Remember when I said Kylie Cosmetics isn't a thing anymore, and here's the exact lip liner that I was talking about? Oh, that's so funny. Well, go to Target. It is really good because I truly can never have enough of these. The Kiss and Press lashes. This one's extra. There's natural and wispy. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different rows. So we get into. I was just gonna say they're probably out of the Lavender Plant. They have one left. This is what I'm saying. This is my favorite one, and they're always out. I'm so glad I got one. Frenchie Lavender Cloud. I mean, I'm just sad. I'm happy, but I'm sad. I can't believe I found it. I'm really excited.
Magnesium.
I have that. You should try it. It's really good. Wow. I'm so happy. You have no idea. We are getting, where is she? Got the Clorox.
Nice.
This is the most random stuff I'm getting. Okay, we need Poppy because you keep drinking the ones.
Only drink Dog Pop.
That's a lie. Nope, that's a lie. Are they out of like the boxes?
I've never seen boxes here.
What? Target, get
Clearly,
on it.
Clearly you don't come here often enough.
Whoa. Have you tried that Mela stuff?
Oh
That's
God,
really
there's
good.
Only 3?
That's what you get. I'm kidding. Let's get some grapes. You know what I'm craving? I'm craving a coconut. You know how we mentioned that the other day?
Like a whole coconut?
Yeah, like a whole coconut. Oh wait, these are Ziploc bags. I want trash bags. Oh yeah, foil and saran wrap. Oh, perfect. Aha. Tall Kitchen Unscented Lavender Fresh scent. We like a little fresh scent. Okay, vibe check. Did we get everything?
You look at your list.
Are they changing their packaging? Ashley, I do not know how I feel about this. Look at this. The packaging.
It's good to it.
Look at the packaging. That's crazy. This is the packaging.
Yeah, what the fuck's that?
But you know what? I heard there's a shortage for like this type of tin.
I believe it.
Like Coca-Cola bottle tin. So I'm wondering if that's what they're doing. Because this is like different. Whoa. That's so weird. That's so weird. Hey Ash, can you get me a thumbnail for me? All right, Clorox wipes, check. Cleaning stuff, check. Poppy, check. Q-tips,
Yep.
check. Trash box, check. Lashes, check. Foil, saran wrap. Oh, you wanted almond milk. Oh my God, we're like almost done.
I don't know how that's a shock to you. We were on a roll today.
Just saying, I'm gonna be 50 years old and still get serotonin from this aisle. That's all I'm saying. All right, update. I think we got everything. If I forgot something, then oh well. I know I missed you so much. Hi, Chloe. Obviously, we're back home. I wanted to show you what I got for Target. I definitely don't have enough to do like a whole separate video, I feel like, on this. So, and there's not that many fun things. Like, there's a few fun things, but most of it is just boring house stuff. But regardless, here's everything that I bought from Target. All right. Clorox wipes, you know, they're my tripod of choice, and I feel like I actually go through these quite a bit, and I just like having them throughout the entire house, so no matter where I am, there's one close. Love these. Poppy, because I really wanted some Poppy. Foil, boring. This is like one of my favorite scrubbing bubbles. This is like the little gel toilet thing that you just like stamp it in the toilet bowl and it lasts like for a bit, but I really like these a lot, honestly. Trash bags, because I needed trash bags. Boring. I got this cleaner for my bathroom because I feel like the tile in there is just really hard to clean. Clearly the stuff that I have right now is not working, so I got this one. It's Lime Away. I don't know. I googled it and this is what came up to try. So Q-tips, Ashley needed some too, so we can share this. Speaking of cleaning my bathroom, I saw this scrubber thing and I was like, we're doing it. We are doing it. And it says you can actually attach Clorox wipes to it, which is kind of cool. Genuinely not that exciting. The exciting stuff that I got, the more fun things, are some things you've already seen, like this little lavender faux plant. I honestly thought it was so cute. I love the lavender, I love the purple, and I also just love this. I feel like I haven't bought like a Target home decor thing in so long. That used to be the only thing ever that I would buy, and I thought this would be really cute for my bathroom or my bedroom. Yeah, I really liked it. We got the Frenchie body wash. This product from Frenchie that I genuinely have loved for so long. It's always sold out. It's so annoying. It's always sold out. The lashes, then two things. I'm not sure if I showed you these in the store, but I got this gold hair clip because I actually don't have a gold one, and I really liked the shade of gold, as well as, oh wait, how much was this? This was $5. I guess I just thought it would be a little bit more. I guess that's not good or bad, but for being metal, like I'm sure you could find it for $3. I don't know. Now I'm just gonna shut up. It's really cute though. I like it. And then going with the gold theme, the last thing that I got are these really cute, they're like super, super dainty gold little hoops, and they're 14K gold plated. I have very sensitive ears, so like even these earrings are like bothering me, like they're starting to itch a little bit. I just feel like it kind of sucks because I can't really wear cheap jewelry for a long time. But I loved how small and dainty these are, and they were $20, so I was like, okay, at least they're only like $20. Love it. Anyway, that is everything that I got from Target. I hope you loved my boring haul.